Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix no signal issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click on hot side power button and click on restart icon. Again click on restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to open quick settings panel, so just swipe down, and if you want to fix this problem, turn on flight mode. After turn on flight mode, so just wait 10 to 15 seconds. After wait 10 to 15 seconds, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so remove your SIM tray and clean with the help of tissue paper. After clean SIM, you will see your again insert and you will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so go to app library and click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset mobile network settings. Reset settings, enter phone pin and you will see, again click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.